everyone, welcome to 5505 Grasmere Drive, Plano, Texas. This premier West Plano neighborhood is conveniently located to the Dallas North Tollway, upscale retail and dining, and the prestigious Glen Eagles Country Club. The home we're touring today features 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, and has over 4,700 square feet of living space. Thank you for taking the time to preview another one of our listings. If you'd like more information about this listing, feel free to give me a call or check out our website at janritchie.com. I'm Jan Ritchie, and I hope to see you on our next home tour.